Hi guys, I've got a request from BattyBowman to make a windmill from papier mache. So I thought I'd better make a start. This is a bit of chicken wire. Bought it in Poundland a while ago, or at least I call it chicken wire. It's just wire mesh. It was about that long and probably a couple of meters rolled up. I've just cut this section out of it, and what I intend to do is make it into a tube and just pull it in a little bit at the top, so we've got it tapering as it goes up. And I'll wrap the wire around itself to hold it still, and then cover that with papier mache. She wants it to have an internal power supply, so I'll put an electric motor in there and a battery and a switch, and then at the top we'll have a axle going across, or a shaft, probably with rubber band or something going all the way down, with a pulley at the top and a rubber band going down to the motor at the bottom, just so we can power the windmill. Not sure when I'm actually going to do this. You might think I'm talking about doing it now, but this is just because I've been out in my shed, found that, and thought, yeah, that'll do for the job, so I'll bring it in and tell you about it, because I think this project's going to be one of those ones I do on a rainy day when there's nothing else to do. So that's the start. A bit of chicken wire in a tube. Well, I suppose you could call it a conical shape, because it will be narrower at the top than it is at the bottom. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.